असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय.
Hi, this is BVKR. In this session, we will learn about that Standard 7, Chapter 6, Exercise 6.5, question number 4. So in the previous video, we have discussed about the question number 3, which is related to find by using proportional method and unitary method. Okay, here I am going to use unitary method, but if it is possible. Okay, now on selling a mobile for 750 rupees, the shopkeeper lost 10%. On selling a mobile for 750 rupees, the shopkeeper lost 10%, right? So for what amount should he sell it to gain 5%? Okay, right. Come on. Solution. Let the CP of the mobile is equals to X rupees, because we don't know about the CP, cost price. Okay, then the percentage of loss. Percentage of loss is equals to 10%. And what about the loss? Yes, loss is equals to 10% of CP, cost price. Yeah, 10% of CP is X. Right, from this we get 10% can be written as 10 by 100 into off. That means in the mathematical off is into, so that 10 by 100 off means X. Off means due to into X. 10 by 100 into X. From that we get 10x by 100. This is loss, right? Okay, what about SP now? The selling price is CP minus loss. Why? Because it is a loss. If you get profit, it's to find the selling price, you just add profit to the cost price. Then finding selling price, you just subtract loss from cost price. So SP is equals to CP minus loss. CP is X minus loss is, this is 10x by 100. So they get it now, 100, this is 100x minus 10x. So we get finally 90x by 100. That is selling price. Okay, yeah. Then after, by problem, what is the given selling price according to the sum? So by problem, the selling price is equals to, this is selling price, 90x by 100 is equals to 750, right? 90x equals to 750. Transpose this 100 to other side, it will into, now x is here, 750 into 100 by, transpose this 90 to this side, here it is in the multiplication, when it comes into divide, right? Now you see 0, 0, 3 3s, 325s, right? Now 2500 by 3. So this is X. What is this X? X is cost price. Okay. So the cost price is 2500 by 200, 500, 2500 by 3. So now to get gain 5%, for what amount should he sell it to gain 5%? Okay, 10% loss. the cost price is 2500 by 3 rupees. Then by using this cost price, now can you see this? Now to get profit 5% selling price. To get a profit 5%, what is the selling price? Selling price is equals to cost price plus 5% of CP. Profit we have to find. So profit, what is profit? 5% of CP. CP is 2500 by 3 plus 5%, 5 by 100 of into 2500 by 3. Zeros, 2500 by 3 plus 5 into 25, 125 by 3. 2625 by 3. To get 875 rupees is the selling price to get the profit 5%.